தமிழரசி ஐய தமிழில் ஒரு துளி.
வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம குழந்தைகளுக்கு தேவையான போர்ட் புக்ஸ், ஃபிளாஷ் கார்டு, பிக்சர் புக், ரைம்ஸ் புக், கலரிங் புக், ஓரகாமி புக், ஆக்டிவிட்டி புக், டெக்ஸ்ட் புக், ரைட்டிங் புக் எல்லாமே Tamilarasi.org வெப்சைட்ல இருக்கு. நீங்க லாகின் பண்ணுங்க, ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுங்க. உங்க குழந்தைகளுக்கு தேவையான புத்தகத்தை வீட்ல இருந்தபடியே ஆர்டர் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுடைய ஆதரவுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. வாங்க நம்ம இப்ப வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம்.
Hi friends! Today we're going to draw this awesome turtle. It looks so cute. You can even make a little baby turtle and play games with them. Now let's get started. And also, we have many coloring books, activity books, and drawing books for you to use in your summer holidays. Now let's get started. The materials that we need are a black marker, a brown color crayon, and a light green crayon. Now let's get started. We're going to take our black marker and draw an upside down egg shape. But if this is too hard for you, you can just flip the paper around. Just going to flip the paper around and draw an egg shape. There. Now just flip it back around again. And now you got an upside down egg shape. That was easy. Now, we're going to draw the head on top. We're just going to draw like a triangular-ish circle. More like an oval. Like that. Like just another egg on top of an upside down egg. There. Now I'm going to draw the tail. I'm going to draw a triangle on the top, bottom. Next, we're going to draw another upside down egg inside of the egg. There. Now I'm going to draw the flippers. This might be a little hard, but I know you can do it. We're just going to draw a curved line on both the sides. Try to get them as neat as possible. Then just curve back in. Curve back in. There. Now, we're going to do the same thing but differently. We're going to curve downwards and then go upwards. Downwards, upwards. There, all done. Now, we're just going to draw some lines in between these two eggs that we created. There. Now, we're going to draw the little cute face. We're just going to draw two little ovals. This is an easy way to draw a cute eye like I did. Now, we're just going to draw two little dots up here. And now, we're just going to draw a little smiley face. There. Now, we're going to draw the little designs I put on the shell. You can put it in any single way. There. Let me just add one more. There we go. We're all done. Now, we can add some lines over here to enhance this drawing. Now, we have our turtle. Our turtle looks so cute. Now let's start coloring. We're going to take our light green crayon and start coloring the flippers and the head. do not color the eyes or else the eyes will turn green. So you're just gonna carefully color without touching the eyes. And also color the tail. I almost forgot. There. Now we're going to take our brown crayon and start coloring the shell. You can color this turtle any way you like, but I like it like this. There. We're all done. The shell looks colorful. Well, not that colorful. Now, just gonna there. Now our turtle is complete. Now we're done with our drawing. My turtle loves his new mother. He's happily playing with his mother. Bye! Bye guys! I hope you love the drawing!
Hi kids! எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங் கலரிங் கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்ப உங்களோட டிராயிங் கலரிங் கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.